In order to properly wash your human hair wig with the Wille Human Hair Care kit, you will also need a towel, a wide tooth comb, and a wig head. If you wear your wig for multiple hours every day, Wille recommends you wash your wig 1 to 2 times a week. You'll want to comb out your wig with a wide tooth comb or rounded bristle brush. If the wig is longer, start at the tips and carefully comb through. With your wig placed on the wig head, rinse with lukewarm water. Now you're ready to shampoo your wig. Please only use shampoos designed specifically for wigs, such as the Wille Human Hair Shampoo. Conventional shampoos are a no-go for wigs and caps, as the ingredients are not suitable. You will need about a half a capful of shampoo. Work the shampoo in from the roots to the tips, keeping the wig on the wig head for the entire wash. Once you have thoroughly worked in the shampoo, you can immediately wash the shampoo out of the wig. No wait time is necessary, as the shampoo dissolves residue and dirt on the hair and the cap. Next, you will use the Wille Human Hair Balm. We apply another half capful of the balm from the roots to the tips of the hair. The balm strengthens human hair and ensures that it remains wonderfully combable and supple. Now it's time to rinse your wig thoroughly and gently dab with a towel. Now place the wig on a styrofoam head to dry. The Human Hair Care and Repair spray makes the hair supple and easy to comb. Just apply a few sprays to damp hair and leave it in to dry. You don't have to rinse it out afterwards. Now let your human hair wig air dry or blow dry on the styrofoam wig head. Style it using your heating tools. The Human Hair Wig Shampoo Care Set by Wille is available to shop now at HairWeavon.com.